Hi, welcome. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we can start installing Flutter on Windows. First we will navigate to flutter.dev and download the Flutter SDK. Download clicking the blue link in the page. They are warning here that don't install Flutter in folders that required elevated privileges like C program files. Now extract the zip file. Next step is to add Flutter to our Windows path environment variable. We are adding Flutter to path to access Flutter commands from command line. Search env in Windows search. Now copy the Flutter bin file path by right clicking, holding shift and select copy as path. We'll get the full path to the bin folder, Flutter bin folder, and add that path to our path environment variable. Now check whether Flutter commands are working in the command line. Now run Flutter Doctor as told in flutter.dev documentation. Flutter Doctor is a command to check whether everything is okay with our Flutter installation. Here they are saying to install Android toolchain, which involves Android SDK. Next, we are going to install Android Studio for Android development on Windows. Download it our PC. Now install Android Studio on our PC. Select default settings and move. Android Studio is being installed now. Create an empty project in Android Studio and try running Flutter Doctor again. It is saying CMD line tools are missing and Android license status is unknown. We will solve this now. Navigate to Android Studio Tools, SDK Manager. Inside SDK Manager, select Android SDK. Inside that, select the SDK tools and select Android SDK command line tools. Install those tools by reading and accepting the license. Run Flutter Doctor again and check whether the issue is solved. Now we will solve the license warning by copying and pasting this command. Read the license information and agree to the terms. Run Flutter Doctor again. Now everything is okay. Now we have to set up an Android emulator. Navigate to AVD Manager in Android Studio. Now create a virtual device. Choose the default device, Pixel 2 device. Now download an image. Image is installing. Now finish the emulator setup. Next we will set up Visual Studio Code as our text editor. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, download it by going to code.visualstudio.com. Open Visual Studio Code. Now open Visual Studio Code command panel following these steps and search for install extensions. Now search for Flutter. install the Flutter extension. Now run Flutter Doctor command in VS Code command palette. Click Yes for the recommendations. As per Flutter Doctor result, everything is okay. Now we are ready to create a project in Flutter. First create a folder and open that folder in Visual Studio Code. Now in Visual Studio Code, press Command Shift P and search Flutter. Now create an application project. Select the folder and name the file. Now our project is being created. This is the default app coming with Flutter, which is a counter app. Next we will open our app in the emulator. Now open our emulator. If your emulator is not opening and showing some issues, try this setting in Windows. Search for turn Windows features on and off. Look for Windows Hypervisor platform. If that is unchecked, check it. Now open our sample app in the emulator. If emulator is showing problems, you can open the app in Chrome web browser or in a physical device. If you connect an Android device, you can enable USB debugging in developer settings and you can open your app in that physical device. Now we can run our app using Ctrl F5. Now our app is opening. It will take some time for a new app first time. Now our app is open. We can test it. Now as our app is installed and complete, our tutorial is complete. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.